So let's get it in the water and let's see what we can see. I'm in St Ives today and I bought the UCAN robot BW Space Probe to explore just over the other side of the harbour wall. So doing the intro over here because it's quite windy over there. But as I said in the last video, this underwater robot has that 4K Ultra HD camera at the front with two bright LEDs. Should you need them to illuminate the subject that you're filming. Fastest it can move 1.5 meters per second, and out there I suspect there's going to be a bit of a current, so that's going to be quite useful. Otherwise you control it with the controller freehand, and that connects to the tether that's down the bag there with the Wi-Fi repeater that's on the side of it. You just connect it, you put your smartphone in the cradle that extends from this so you can get that first person view that you see through that camera at the front. So let's get it in the water and let's see what we can see.